Well, afternoon, Friday, July something. And the red body is off the frame. Got it on stands with a 2x4 going end to end. I also added a 6x6 support in the center until I'm ready to put the other frame back on it. So, there you see the body. Whoa, slippery. And there's the old EV frame. Transmission's out. I'm going to sticking it back in there. You see it has coil-over shocks for the added weight of the batteries. Frame's in pretty good shape. A little surface rust. I'll probably clean that up. The body seal is screwed up. I didn't have it mounted correctly. And coil-over shocks in the front for the battery weight. And it's got disc brakes on the front, which I'll be taking off and putting on this frame. This is the one I picked up in North Carolina. I'm having a little trouble with the paperwork, but this is what's going to go underneath the red one. I have to make a mount for the gas tank. Put the gas tank in. Take these rims and tires off. These will be for sale. I think they're called the turbos. And they are each missing one lug nut. I'll try and find something at the Volkswagen show next weekend. I'll take one down with a sample. These are the new tires, well, new used tires. I had to spend $280 on, $286 in fact. Because as soon as I got within 5 or 10 miles, the tread was flying off the 30-year-old tires that were on here. So these are the original rims that Bradley supplied. Yeah, it's got a good kind of new master. He said a brake job was done. Looks like all the tie rods and ball joints are good. He's put on good shocks. This one's got new pans. Again, they're split, not the one piece. The transmission strap is off the red car. I'll be mounting on this one. Shifter's in good shape. This one actually has heater boxes. And I like the mufflers. They look good underneath the car. And this is the engine that Donnie made. Here's an example of the tires. Swinging. These are the rims. The tires off the red one. There's 4 of them, and they take the standard Volkswagen lug nuts, bolts, whatever they call those things. And I got 4 of those, all with very good Firestone tires. 185, 65, 15s. And these are 14s. A little hard to come across. The tire company I stopped at, this is the only set they had. And it's got new rear shocks. Bushings look okay. Axles look okay. Got a new starter. Nice copper paint job. Fuel filter. There's the gas line. Got new brake lines going up to the front. So, put the disc brakes on the front, get the gas tank mounted, slide this little puppy dog underneath the red body, do a little bit of wiring on the body before I drop it. A little bit easier now since it's up and out. There's a stand in the back. Sexy tail lights. And again, the 6x6 being held up to support the 2x4. I was getting a little bit of a bow. The back is very heavy because all the glass and the doors and everything else is on this car. It was fun trying to get it up and out. But that's the progress. This frame from the black Bradley GT2 will be going underneath the red one. This frame will be for sale. It's also got new floors, and again split. You see the joint right there. Instead of using the one-piece floor, the guy used the 2 halves on both sides. It has new brake lines. Possibly a brake job was done when the car was built. It's all here. Bushings are looking good. He's got those stupid chrome tie rod ends. Looks like they're new. It's in pretty good shape. Brake master. This thing actually does have brakes that work. You see the clutch pedal has been cut off. Don't use a clutch on electric. There's the electric motor set up. Got everything out. Got the cables. Battery. The rear battery mount. Front battery mount. Is all included. You can buy it with or without the frame. And the transmission, which has already been modified for the electric. So PM me if you're interested. I'm in Knoxville, Tennessee. I'll send you my phone number. We can talk it over and see which way it goes. I'll probably have to take the tires off this and put it on the dollies, just get it up underneath the body. Might have to take the engine out. I'm not sure yet. Guess I can get it up a little bit higher somehow. It's making it a little shaky. Anyway, that's it. That's the progress report. Woo, sorry, 8 minutes. 8.5, 7.5. Oh, have a good weekend. I have a Cars and Coffee to go to on Sunday. This Sunday. And then next weekend, there's a Volkswagen show in Townsend, Tennessee. Very nice area up in the mountains. And I'll be taking my Volkswagen trike to that. If I'm really lucky, the Volkswagen show in Sevierville in October, beginning of October, first weekend, the Bradley might go to that. But it's got a long way to go. Basically, the interior was not finished. I was able to get a headliner from the black car. I'll be able to put that in, get it reupholstered. That's it. I'm out of here. Have a good weekend. Sorry. Very long video. Sayonara.